Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Nick. Welcome back to another yet big episode. We are shooting this video. It's around 3:57 p.m. East African time. Welcome to another big episode. So in this video, we are going to walk you around this village. So enjoy guys. Keep tuning. Subscribe if you haven't. Let's get it. So this is how the village look. So guys, how do I look? My hair is very bad. I'm yet to comb it, but don't worry about it. Mind is very short. Like guys, this maize I think they lack nutrients. They are not that long, as you can see. Like this one, it's very short. Wow. Very short. So guys, comment where you're watching this video from. This is a short tour around my village. Maybe if I can record in front. Got that bad. So guys, enjoy the views. This is how the village houses look like. So like that, and that one, mud thatched house. Guys, look at this fence. It's very beautiful. Very classic. So we are using this road, just moving around, enjoying and connecting with nature. Jambo. It's almost harvesting time, still. Yeah, the maize are almost getting ready, and as you can see.
And the thefting time.
And
thefting.
As in what?
Stealing time.
Oh, the stealing of maize.
Yeah.
In the village.
Yeah.
Hey.
Uko social media.
Yeah, social media. Bas. Majenzi wanafanya maneno. Hey. Hey, these guys are... Angalia mtu ashalima shamba. Sema he is too early for tomorrow. Yeah. He has already dug his land, already tilled. So like this farmer, maybe he wants to plant the next season maize.
I will answer that man.
But I'm not that sure. This maize.
Oh. We were to visit.
Which route? Yeah.
I have an answer for that man. Anaongea about Gen Z na vipi. Wazee,
he's getting shocked about Gen Z.
Wazee wanafaa kuheshimu Gen Z. Sababu tunaweza amua siku moja tusanye wazee wote tuweke kwa lori iko Victoria tuanze maisha bila wazee.
Look at this forest. Very beautiful. Look at that cow.
Very pregnant.
Very fat.
Pregnant.
Oh, yeah. She is pregnant, that cow.
She wants to deliver.
Yeah. This is how you enjoy the village life, guys. You just walk around, you connect with nature. You feel the goodness of Mother Nature.
This is where Science Village
happens. Hey, you see this maize?
Touch it and you know that you are in the village.
I'm not going to touch it.
You remain there.
Very beautiful lands. Like these ones are Napier grass. Yeah. What do you call Napier grass in your language? In your Kabras language. Because as we call it Rusi. Rusi for Napier grass. Ladies and gents, we continue. Look at this maize. It's very tall. You can imagine, around even 10 feet. Very beautiful homesteads.
Now let me show you the maize. Stop talking about maize. Here we go.
Bas. This person is going to harvest. My goodness. See this maize. Very, very fat. Very healthy. Wow. This guy is going to harvest even this one. But this one is now the real farmer. Look at the maize cobs. Very, very fat. Very fat and heavy. Mom. Hey. This one will harvest. Unlike the other ones. This one is the guru. Let me take the thumbnail. This farmer is really bad. The commando of farmers. I hope rain is not going to find to get us. Look at these beautiful birds. What is the English name of makulukulu? Turkey. Yeah.
They are called makulukulu.
Makulukulus. So guys, just enjoy the beautiful scenes of our village.
I've forgotten the Napier grass name in my language. That's how you could download it. It's not coming.
You're trying to download that name. Amidst of nowhere. Hey.
Giving back to what?
Giving back?
To us. Daughter child. Secondary day school. In a village. Yeah, because the rate of attacks are so high. And the only solution is to buy a gun.
Or a hash dog.
No, a dog can be poisoned.
Can be poisoned to death.
Just buy a gun.
And you protect that dog.
Anyone even who smiles at her.
Yeah,
you shoot the battle so that he doesn't sit again.
Guys, we're still roaming the village. So I hope you can feel that, you can hear that sounds of moving water. There is a stream down here. So we're going to cross that stream. Then we use that route. We're just roaming. Look at this stream, guys. Stream of water, fresh water, very clean. inside little forest. Very natural. This forest, guys, it's very natural. Look at these trees. These are guavas. Some thorny plants here. Just connecting and grounding. Very beautiful. Amazing nature. Amazing nature.
The source of witchcraft. Where do you go? This is now the
Beautiful land.
Gambus International Airport.
Hey, like a small land
Airport.
where people can dance during the circumcision ceremonies. Yeah. They will be dancing here, those young boys. The area is so demure. Demure. A healthy walk around the village. Let me hug this tree. Do you know the benefit of hugging a tree?
Hugging a tree?
Yeah.
You don't die easily.
You know you are supposed to hug a tree.
Why?
It looks so crazy, but it is beneficial.
Why?
It is beneficial. Just know it is beneficial. Just need to hug a tree like this. Like this. And you feel its vibration. Very important. Of grounding. It's part of grounding. You know grounding?
This grounding.
It's when you remove your shoes and you start walking bare feet. You ground your body. Look at this little forest. I can hear some goat matatas complaining inside here. Goat matata is what? Goats. Goat matata. Goat matata is left alone. Something might bite these goat matata bones. See?
Yeah.
They are just alone here, and there are two. Don't know if you can see that. And somewhere there, they're just two. Something can bite it like snakes. No snakes like hiding in these
Did you
shrubs.
have one?
What?
You have one?
Which one?
Bamboo stick. Have you seen bamboo stick?
Bamboo stick.
I can.
Where are bamboos?
There, that small one.
Where?
There in that tree.
Oh, bamboo.
I can look for a cane there.
No. Look at this forest. Let me ground a little bit. Si mtu akuje tu akate miti ni atumie kama koni. Si imekauka?
Hey.
Guys,
I told you.
Guys, I was saying that this trunk is very dry. Someone can just come here and axe it down.
And that was the only opportunity I had to fly back.
You're really a coward.
Hey.
You want to run away from dogs?
Even you.
I can't run away from dogs.
Before you knew it was a dog, you wanted to fly back and leave the camera.
Don't joke. You can fight a hyena running close to you.
You know, right now, if you find a dog, just fly, because it can be a Gen Z.
Hey, that dog was crazy. Someone is burning something there.
And I told you, that is where the dog was going.
Is it charcoal? I don't know. Someone is burning. I can see some smoke. Do you know the function of these leaves? This one.
No.
Check it properly. This leaf.
No.
You don't know? Guess. This is natural tissue.
Oh.
Natural tissue, very soft. Natural tissue. Now you know.
And they should be planted near schools.
I don't know the English name of this plant, but it's very effective when going to to the nature of calls. Call of nature. Yes.
I was to run helter-skelter.
Then what? Then what happened?
Wolf. That just appeared.
I can't find your wolf. Hey.
I almost flied back to America.
Nasema helter skelter.
Guys, we are going to look for Misheveve.
You see this one?
Yeah.
Which plant is this one?
The son of Nduma.
Makwan.
Madolodolo.
Madolodolo.
Yeah.
But it is the same class as
Nduma. Arrowroots.
arrowroots. Yeah.
They are called Madolodolo.
Madolodolo.
Yeah.
I've never heard.
Madolodolo.
Simple homesteads. When people are really hardworking. You can see here.
Adventure.
People are hardworking. Hardworking. Very beautiful places. That's where the villagers get their water from. Another stream to cross.
Another tissue paper is there. This one.
Which one?
This one is a soft tissue.
This one is
Instead of using Lantana Camara.
also that one is a soft tissue.
Yeah.
All right. Kuna fama hapo amepanda nini? Mtu aje mananasi. Ndio, sio mananasi.
Na zimeguzo.
Pineapples.
These are this one.
This one? This one cannot be a tissue. Natural tissue, no. Your bamboo is there, my one.
People are coming from taking water.
Yeah. Coming from the rivers. Hey, you can hear those birds chirping.
Yeah. The only issue is that the forest is so dark. And this is a good place to walk
Yeah, this one is the best place to walk.
and enjoy.
Look at the beautiful trees. Very tall. Amazing. Hey.
These are second-hand trees.
Very, 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 very natural.
This one are second-hand. Second-hand.
Man-made forests, not natural. Man-made forests.
Misheveve.
So guys, keep watching the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Let's continue shooting. Guys, we are now close to a road now, but this one is a gravel road. Want to use it. So we are using this route. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, guys, kindly subscribe. Look at this beautiful shop. Amazing village. Still roaming, guys. It is a stone. But I want to show you guys. Very, very huge. Hiyo mwezi ni kubwa sana. Those stones were used as shrines, place to worship long time ago. So people could go up that hill and worship their gods there. So let's continue, guys. Mode of transport. Just want to show you guys how this village look. It's very green.
Oh, Luombe iko huko chini.
Mwana sign post.
Huh?
Mwana sign post.
Silasi tulienda tukabranch.
By the way, maybe hii direction yako chini.
Iko chini.
Another stream is here. So guys, keep watching. Make sure you subscribe. Guys, we are at Galona Church. Leo tumetembea kweli.
The only challenge, the institutions in this area.
Old school church. See that church?
For co-curricular activities.
See that church was established 1940 when I was 2 years old. What about you? In 1940, where were you in 1940? This is a school, guys. Very amazing. Basi njia. So we're going to use this road. People are going to fetch water. Hey, I love the sounds of birds in the trees. Chimney, chimney. Guys, enjoy the beautiful pictures from my village. My beautiful and amazing village. Farmers here are trying, but they are really trying. Farmers from this side. Ona tu. Jamani na struggle ni aje. Farmers here are trying. Really trying. Hey, beautiful birds chirping. So guys, there's a hill here which is very steep. So ladies and gents, I'm going to end this video here by reminding you to subscribe. The The video is so long, so I will do the second part of it, but meanwhile make sure you have subscribed. Goodbye, see you.